Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to lay this frontal. Now if you guys are interested in seeing how I achieve this look, then stay tuned. So the wig that I'm wearing in this video is from Dola Hair Company, and they sent me a 14-inch curly bob. And when I tell you guys I love this hair so much, like I will list all their information in the description box below if you guys want to go check that out. So the glue that I'm going to be using is the Ghost Bond lace glue, and I like to use 3 layers of this glue. It gives me a strong hold when I just use 3 layers. And I'm just taking the end of the brush to kind of smear it out until it gets clear. And you want it to be as smooth and even as possible, because if you just try to lay the lace on top of the glue while it's still bulky and it's still white, it's not gonna stick. Trust and believe, I already been there, I already done that, and it just did not work for me. But when the glue turns clear and tacky, that's when you will know that it's okay to apply the lace. So I keep the lace on the wig still intact. I don't cut it off. I know some people that like to cut off the lace first and then apply the wig or the frontal, but me personally, I like to leave the excess lace on there so I can be able to pull it down for better application. And this just works best for me. You can do whatever works best for you. You don't have to follow exactly what I'm doing in the video. I just get the best results by doing it this way, and the outcome be so nice and natural. So right now you just see me basically just going in using the back of my comb, well, the end of my comb I meant, to basically press in to my skin. So you know, I make sure that the glue is intact. And now I'm just taking my blow dryer on warm heat, and I'm just going to blow dry that for like 5 minutes. Then I'm going to take the headband that they sent me along with the wig, and I'm going to tie that down on my hairline for about like 15 to 20 minutes, just so everything can just set into my skin nice and evenly. And you have to lay it down. I feel like when you lay it down, that's when it come out the best. I meant to tell you guys this in the beginning of the video, but before I went ahead and applied my lace or did anything to my head, I went in with some alcohol and a cotton ball, and I just kind of wiped my forehead and my hairline really good, just to get rid of any excess oil that's from your face that will cause your frontal to lift up. And please guys, do not skip that step. You have to clean your forehead with alcohol. So now I'm just taking the razor and I'm going to begin to cut the excess lace from my wig. And with doing this step, if you're using a razor, I really want you guys to be careful and please take your time, because you do not want to cut yourself. And you can just use whatever works best for you. If you don't want to use a razor, you can use scissors. Just make sure that you're really being careful, because you do not want to cut your skin. And you really want to make sure that you see what you're doing. Just take your time. There's no rush in this. Just make sure that everything just come out perfect. Now I'm just going in with the teeth of my comb, and I'm just trying to press the end of the lace down into my skin just to even out everything and make everything lay down all flat and seamless. This hairline looks so natural. Shout out to Dola Hair Company for sending me this amazing wig. This is flawless. Like, all I did was bleach the knots a little bit, and this frontal is amazing. Like, it's blending in perfectly fine. I'm just spraying a little bit of water on my hair, and I don't want to leave it too wet because it was at nighttime, and right after this video I was gonna go straight to bed, so I didn't want to have it like soaking wet, but just to kind of give you guys just a little look of it, I just decided to wet it up a little bit to kind of define the curls a little bit, you know, and just show y'all how this hair is. And this hair is so freaking soft. Like I said, this is a 14-inch bob. I think I'm going to cut it some more to kind of make it just like a little bit shorter, because like it's longer than what I expected it to be, but at the end of the day it's still cute. I still love it. It's amazing. So at first I was going for like the natural hairline look, but with this curly hair I really just wanted to add like a little bit of soft baby hairs just to kind of spice it up a little bit, you know. And this was the next day after I didn't slept, and just had my hair molded down with my satin scarf. And guys, when I tell you, like, it literally melted into my skin, like it looked so natural. It's just, everybody was loving it. Like, it's just so easily blended. Like, I love it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any more questions or concern about this wig or any steps that I did, or you want me to go into like full detail about how I applied the lace and everything, just leave it down in the comments below, and I will surely give y'all what y'all asked for. And just make sure you guys follow me on Instagram, follow my social media to keep me, you know, to keep updated on my personal life if you want to reach out to me or contact me. And just thank you so much for supporting me, guys. I love you. Thank you for everything, and I will see you guys in my next video.